Hello students, today I am going to discuss regarding redox reaction. In standard 10, in first chapter, there is a type of reaction that is redox reaction. First of all, we'll understand what is a redox reaction. A reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, that is known as redox reaction. A reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, that is an example of redox reaction. You can take up any example. If you are taking carbon plus ZNO, it gives Zn plus CO. It is an example of redox reaction. Then again, if you are taking an example Zn plus FeSO4, it gives ZnSO4 plus Fe. It is also an example of redox reaction. Now, what I told, a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, that is known as redox reaction. So, let us see which is being oxidized over here and which is being reduced. Here carbon is being oxidized and zinc oxide has been reduced. Now, to understand this, how we are writing that zinc oxide is reduced and carbon is oxidized, I will discuss what is oxidation and what is reduction. What is oxidation and what is reduction? Oxidation involves gain of oxygen. Next, loss of hydrogen. And third one is loss of electron. If we see there is gain of oxygen, any species gains an oxygen, or if you see that any species loses hydrogen, or if any species lost electron, then that is known as oxidation. Then what is reduction? Loss of oxygen, then gain of hydrogen, then gain of electron. This is reduction. So loss of oxygen, gain of hydrogen or gain of electron, it takes place, then we say that the species undergo reduction. Now, a species, here you see ZNO have lost oxygen, so it is being reduced. Whereas carbon gains oxygen, so it is oxidized. So here carbon is oxidized and zinc oxide is reduced, since zinc oxide loses oxygen whereas carbon gains oxygen. Now, sometimes they ask which is an oxidizing agent and which is a reducing agent. Species which undergoes oxidation, that is a reducing agent. So what is the reducing agent over here? Carbon. Since carbon undergoes oxidation, so carbon is the reducing agent. And which is the oxidizing agent over here? ZNO is the oxidizing agent. So what I am telling, what is a redox reaction? A reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, that is known as redox reaction. Now, what is oxidation? Gain of oxygen, loss of hydrogen or loss of electron is known as oxidation. And what is reduction? Loss of oxygen, gain of hydrogen or gain of electron is known as reduction. Now, here we have taken up an example, two examples we have taken, and here we can see that carbon is gaining oxygen, so it is being oxidized, and zinc oxide is losing oxygen, so it is being reduced. Now we have introduced two terms, one is oxidizing agent, another is reducing agent. Species which undergoes reduction, that is an oxidizing agent, that acts as an oxidizing agent, and species which undergoes reduction and the species which undergoes oxidation, that is a reducing agent. Again, I am explaining this example. Here you see, zinc is oxidized since there is gain of oxygen, and ferrous sulfate is reduced since there is loss of oxygen. So we can write here oxidized zinc and FeSO4 reduced. Why zinc is being oxidized? Because it gains oxygen. And why ferrous sulfate is reduced? Because it loses oxygen. Now, which is the oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent. Which is the oxidizing agent? The species which undergoes reduction. So here FeSO4 is the oxidizing agent. And which is the reducing agent? Reducing agent is zinc, since it undergoes oxidation. So this is all about redox reaction.